Hi, I am Vasant Patel from Ahmedabad. We belong to pharmaceutical segment. I have come here to attend a personal touch program. So wonderful, so beautiful program this is. Really. And last 3 days, what I have realized, what I have received from this program is, since long time, I have been thinking about how to strengthen the gap between knowing to being. So here is the platform where I got connected to myself to minimize the gap between knowing, which was happening since long back. So now I have a clear path, clear vision, and clear action. And of course, yes, from this program, I have got very much clear and very much confident about once I do on my deep rooted patterns, then definitely I can flow with the energy and I can create in terms of health, wealth, and relationship so wonderfully, so beautifully. And now I can realize and understand that whatever challenges which I used to gone through, so now I can connect that these all challenges are my opportunity to upgrade myself in upcoming times. So if I talk about investment, so of course, yes, as a businessman I can calculate, and of course, yes, I can assume that, and I can very much confident about that whatever I have invested particular for this program in next couple of months, I am going to get a return minimum 10x time. So this is my particularly overall in terms of investment versus return ROI. And surely I would like everyone to request to come for this session and this program and get benefit.
My name is Arun. I live in Panvel. I am a retired person. Before doing the personal touch, I was not clear about the wealth, how to earn the wealth or attract the wealth. I was confused before doing the personal touch program. But after doing the personal touch program, I got clarity about the wealth. What is the wealth? Whether it is tangible or intangible. That previously I was unaware. But after doing this program, I got clarity of difference between tangibility and untangibility. So I became aware of my wealth and how to catch them and how to convert them. I learned in this program of attracting the wealth, and now I am going to practice it regularly. Now whatever I learn during this program, I am practicing every segment intending 1 hour. And because of practicing these things, I became energetic and I am elevating myself in doing the layer 1 hour segment intending. And I am keep catching the pattern throughout the day and keeping myself in positive energy. So I would like to share with you, you also do. Investment is nothing but do personal touch, so that your life will become happy and joyful. So I do request you to do the personal touch and experience the benefit of this personal touch.